Hello, my name is Jason. I'm talking on behalf of expertvillage.com. Now, every vehicle has a chrome part to them. It could be in the front, in the sides, in the back. All type of cars are different. Now, you do wash the vehicle outside with a high pressure water or even foam. Then you want to dry it off. Then you see all those water spots on the chrome area. You can never get rid of that, even if you go over it on the rack. Could be kind of frustrating. Now, what I like to do, the best way to remove all these water spots and chalk and buildup that's been building there is, once you do wash it and clean up with a rag, what you want to do is you basically get a polish, just like a wax or polish, something that will take the scratches away and bring the color back to life. You just simply get some polish, and you just go over it like that. It removes, as you can see, all the water spots. Makes it look real shiny. Voila, you don't have any more water spots on there. Then, after you do that, you want to simply get a blue cloth and just go over it like that and make sure all these swirl marks are removed. And you have yourself a shiny chrome.